So in this Kayak.com tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to book 3-star hotels here on Kayak.com. So once Kayak.com's opened up, I want you to make sure that you have stays selected. I did a previous search for New York City, but for example, if you're going to, what's a good place? Let's just say Dallas, Texas as an example. Dallas, Texas right here. Press in your dates, and if all looks good, go ahead and press on the search icon. Now, to filter it from 3-star hotels and above, I guess, go to where it says amenities right here. Beside this is hotel class. Make sure that hotel class is selected. Make sure that 3 stars and above. So at the very lowest, you're looking at 3-star hotels. Go ahead and press on apply. Now, once you're here, you might see some 4-star, etc. To recommend it, or to, I guess, kind of show it from 3 stars and above, go to where it says recommend right here. Then go to where it says price, low to high, because typically the 3 stars would be lower and you get a bunch of different results this way. So go ahead and press on the streets low to high. So as you can tell, 3-star hotel, 3-star hotel, 3-star hotel, 3-star hotel, etc. And you can go ahead and browse a bunch of different 3-star hotels for your vacation through Kayak. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to book a 3-star hotel on kayak.com. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.